to today's video, everybody. As you can see behind me, we're back at Ebisu Circuit, but this time I'm here with some special friends and guests.
What's up, mother? Wow. I think it is life tough for the editing.
Adam's here, and of course Colette with her car that I'm very, very jealous of. I don't think she got the memo that I'm the only one allowed with pink cars here, but...
Not anymore!
You guys are gonna have to watch her video. She just got this thing, so make sure you check it out and her revealing it. But yeah, I'm excited. We're here with friends and we're gonna be driving at Ebisu. Adam's car looks actually pretty awesome for sitting for 3 years now, was it?
Damn right.
Looks great. A few things are kind of like just hanging off, but we'll get everything zip tied up, and then today's just the setup day, get everything all kind of like situated and tires mounted and everything figured out. But we're gonna be driving for the next 3 days, 4 days actually, with a Nico circuit day in there as well. So I'm excited. Content's about to be sick. We're at the Ebisu restaurant. Adam, what's your favorite food here?
Meat sauce is real good with the katsu curry is probably my favorite.
Colette, what are you gonna pick? This is your first time.
Is this a place with spaghetti?
Yeah.
The spaghetti
The
wrist.
spaghetti's good.
But you
I
can't.
might ease my way into it with that. I don't know. What do you think? You decide.
Yeah, all right.
Katsu curry is my favorite.
Everything's good here, to be honest.
What about the ramen?
Unfortunately, Adam's car seems to have developed a weird issue from sitting for so long, so the boys are looking at it, trying to get it fixed. We're gonna take Colette to school course so she can start getting the hang of her new car. So I'm sad boy Sam now. Rory, give him the bad news.
I think you're blowing your diff.
Yeah. People tell me that if your diff is broken, that's gonna make a bad kind of difference. Pun intended.
Maybe if you put a stock turbo in your car.
Can you stop doing that?
More work for editing.
So, I'm a little upset about this because this is kind of a new, fresh 4.1, but we've definitely broken a couple teeth at one point.
Drop the jack.
At one point, as you rotate it, it locks up, and then you got to kind of push it through to be able to get through it.
Famous.
Adam's just being a troll boy today. Big troll guy. But for now, we're done, I think. I don't think there's like, oh yeah. It's so tight, like to get past that point.
Yeah.
And if I keep driving on it like that, it'll just break my new 154 that's in there, so. Anyways, Colette's doing great. We'll watch her and we'll get a diff. We'll put my 3.9 in. We got a spare at the shop, so we'll run a 3.9 for a while, which is probably fine. I just like 4.1 life. I'm officially Colette's passenger princess.
Yes.
Please don't kill me.
I'll try not. Hey, Adam's out here, so
That's true.
I don't know.
I'm sure he's gonna bully you.
Most likely. Yep.
Let's have some fun. taking a moment to remind you guys about the new Team SAMMIT merch pack that is now available on SAMMIT.net for pre-order. They include our brand new insulated water bottles, These things have been in the work for the longest time. This entire year, we have been working on this, deciding on the final design, deciding on the product to use, so many samples we went through, but it's a stainless steel vacuum insulated water bottle. It holds about 700 milliliters of water, which is equivalent to 21, 22 Oz. Whatever that is in American, I have no idea. I don't even know why you guys are still not on the metric scale. That makes no sense to me, but these are awesome. And the pack also comes with a brand new Team SAMMIT hoodie with the Formula Drift card on the back. It's a really cool design. The photo should be up here somewhere. So make sure you guys head to sammit.net right now and get your pre-orders in, because this pack will not be available ever again. Pre-orders close at the end of this month. Don't sleep, guys. Let's get back to the video. So if you guys don't know, this is Rory. He's from Australia, and he's one of the new mechanics for Side X. And he's already switching out the diff. Look at that. Propeller shaft, sorry, tail shaft. I'm so used to all the Japanese names for things. Is now disconnected and just freely hanging. It'd be a shame if I started up the car in gear right now, hey?
That'd be dangerous.
Flopping around. You reckon you'll have this out in like 20 minutes or so? You're already flying through it, man.
We fast with power tools, this sucks.
Yeah. Colette's just changing tires. She's gone through her first set at Ebisu. Colette, how does it feel to go through your first rubber over here?
Feels great now that I'm more comfortable in the car.
Oh yeah.
I'm still freaking out about the whole right-hand drive drifting thing, but
No, you're killing it.
hopefully I'll get used to it fast.
Yeah.
It's easier on school course though, because mentally it's just wide open.
Yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
when we get to the real tracks that I think it's gonna be a little hard.
Yeah.
But I'm having fun.
On it.
We're pretty much done for today. I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty upset that my car wasn't running. I did like 2 laps and heard a weird noise and my diff was broken. So I must have broken it last time we were out driving, which I'm not surprised about. I was doing a lot of clutch kicks and a lot of aggressive driving when we were here with TJ and Grant. But we're just kind of hanging out right now. We got to pack up for the day and then we're gonna probably go get dinner and all hang out. But still, it's been a pretty good first day. Adam's having issues with his car again, still breaking up. So hopefully the guys will be able to fix his car in time for tomorrow. And hopefully my car is all good for tomorrow as well. And we'll have no issues and we can just have a full day of slaying. I can't like say this enough, but usually when you come to Ebisu for a big trip, like of driving, normally the first day is just fixing a whole bunch of stuff and getting your car all sorted out and everything so that you then have no issues leading up to Mitsuri. But unfortunately, I can't drive Mitsuri this year. I have FD this weekend, so I can't actually make it. So these guys will be driving here, and I'll be driving at Fuji Speedway in the competition FD S15. I just realized this, but the old GPS in my K-Van has all the racetracks on them. That looks so cool. That's awesome. We're doing some parts run at Up Garage. We're hoping they've got some good stuff. Before Mitsuri, so hopefully there'll be some good stuff, but Up Garage these days is normally pretty pick clean. We'll see what we can find. I just realized I introduced this video a little wrong. What do you call it? JDM parts shopping with my USDM friend.
That's all I am to you.
I love that there's an SR out the front and it's a DE, but it's $1,000, $1,000 DE. So first consensus is, it looks like they've got like all the usual kind of stuff at this shop. A lot of like new model work wheels and things like that. They got some cool like unique small stuff over here, like these Hot Wheels. Kind of cool. PBSs. Some cool stuff. Some Eurolines. It's not bad. And then just like all the generic stuff. All the winter tire stuff. Winter's rolling in, so these will be all out. The studless tires. I find it so funny that we're in a Japanese like car parts shop and they have Chevy hats. Last time I was here, I bought this thinking that that was the one for my air filter in the Chaser, and then I figured out that this was actually too small, so I'm buying the bigger one now. Through the process of elimination, I now know that I need the bigger HKS super filter replacement foam thing, so I'll put that one in tomorrow. I always like looking through the wheel center cap section because sometimes you just get lucky and find stuff that you a missing a need for your own car instead of wheels. That's kind of cool. This is an OEM one. That's kind of cool. Yeah, there's a Ford one. We're just going next door now to check out Yellow Hat. Get a few air fresheners and car cleaning products. The real reason why I moved to Japan is just because engine oil is sold in cans here. Coolest thing ever. LZ practically buying the whole store.
Come on.
I've been teaching him a little bit of Japanese. He's doing pretty good. He remembers a lot from last time too. 3 words from last time you were here. Hit me.
Sugoi. Uishi desu. Uishi so.
Nice. Good job. We're at a restaurant and you gotta take your shoes off. And I got number 69. I feel special. And this is your key. This thing here with the little cutouts. Pretty cool. Kampai, Adam. Hopefully our cars run tomorrow. You too, Colette. Good driving.
You do.
Today is Pine Sour. This is going in the video, Lewis.
Send to the lawyer.
Zero consent. Zero.
Louis is not allowed.
All right, guys, I am back at the hotel and I am exhausted. Everyone's exhausted after today. Even though I didn't get to do any driving, I guess just like doing everything that we did today and prepping the cars and then the whole issue with the diff, like that was just so frustrating, but also I'm glad it happened now and not like tomorrow or something when I'm like driving with everyone and it wasn't bad, like it didn't explode and go everywhere. The boys said that when they switched over the LSD into my spare diff, that there was just a couple teeth missing off the crown wheel again, which seems to be consistent with the last one that we blew up. Just the same thing. I'm pretty abusive on the clutch, and when I'm doing massive backwards entries, and then, you know, dropping into second and doing a big clutch kick to like pull out of it, it puts a lot of strain on the diff. And then just like all the clutch kicks that I'm doing to, you know, push the car to its limits and fourth gear entries and things like that, like just, that's not good for the car. I'm curious though to see if the 3.9 would last longer, and I'm gonna see how I'm gonna like the 3.9 now that I'm a lot more comfortable in that car. When we changed to the 4.1, it was pretty early in my driving, like, I guess, career with that car. So I'm just interested to see how I'm gonna like the 3.9. I'll probably really like it now that that car makes a bit more power and stuff. So it'll probably feel very similar to my 4.1, but I'll have a little bit longer second gear, which should actually be nice. We'll see how it is. If I do like it, I'll just get another 3.9 as a spare, or I'll get a 4.1 as well. I probably should get a couple, but at that point, like if you start getting more than 2 diffs, it starts making more sense to do a quick change, and then things start to spiral out of control very, very quickly. Quick changes really aren't that expensive when you add in like 3 or 4 spare diffs and then the time and the labor it takes to switch them out. Generally, like a quick change like is cheaper than that, than like 3 diffs. We'll see what happens, but anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I know it was all over the place. I will do better filming and documenting everything tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be great because all our cars should be running and fixed, so pretty excited about that, touch wood. But yeah, I don't know what else to say. I'm just really, really happy getting to hang out with Adam back here in Japan. It's literally been 3 years since we were last at Ebisu together, so it's a weird feeling. It's a good vibe though, and it's cool to see Colette here and her doing really, really well. So make sure you go check out their videos. We're gonna try and all upload at the same time. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Sorry it's a short one. Next one will be great. Peace out. Jamata.
Stock turbo in your car.